that, baby? What is that, baby? Oh, that is for boy. Do you know that name? Demo slide. Yeah. I don't know that name. Oh, Tanjiro. His name is Tanjiro. Ow! Okay, what song we will sing together today, baby? Is you happy and already? Head, shoulder, knees and toe, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Yes, I want you to sing with me. Okay. Hello, welcome back to English class. Welcome back. Welcome back, Sethepong. Welcome back, Sethepong. Welcome back. Okay. Today, mommy will teach you one letter. One more letter. One more letter. Okay. Do you know what is this, baby? That is we call violin. Do you know violin? Violin sound V. Today we study letter V. Oh, we not yet have letter V. Letter V is over there. Letter V is over there. But mommy have picture. This is picture violin. Can you say it, baby? Violin. 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 One more. Tan 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 tan. Waist. Can you say it? Waist. 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 Baby, can you say it? Waist. Waist. Okay. Waist. Violin. Waist. One more. E. One. Can you say it, baby? One. One. Baby, can you say it, baby? One. 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 Can you say it, baby? One. This is one. This is violin. This is waist. This is one. And this is the lastly. E. Tit, 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 tit. Wally. Can you say it? Wally. Wally. Oh, okay. Wally, baby Pong. Can you say it with mommy? Okay. So today mommy teach you about letter V. V. The sound of letter V say w, 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 V. W, w, V. We violin, we waist, we violin, we one. We. Can you say, baby? We kick, we. Okay, violin. One. Oh, this one looks so beautiful. One. Violin. One, violin, one, violin, one, violin, one, violin, one, violin, one. Which one is one? Oh, you like one. I'm not just say it. Or just choose the correct. That is one. Correct, baby. One more. Which one is violin, baby? Violin. One more. Violin. This one already. One more violin. Okay, good job. That is violin. This is one. Correct. Okay, let me stick it. No more? No more? Okay, say it again, baby. Violin. Violin. V for violin. V for one. V for Wally. V for West. Wally. West. West Valley. West Valley. West Valley. West Valley. West Valley. West Valley. Which one is Valley? Valley, baby. Valley is look like mountain. Valley. Oh, you like West? You want to wear West? Okay, it is okay. If you like it, you can choose it. Okay, good job. That is West. Can you say it? West. West. What do you want? It's no more. Oh, it's on your hand, baby. Can you say it? Valley. West. Valley. West. Okay. Mommy stick it on the boards again. Okay, so today we study about letter V. Okay, Sethepong? Letter V. Just sound letter V. 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 Violin. West. Valley. One. V. Hello, mommy and daddy. Welcome back to my channel again. Yes, today's English class. Did you remember last week what letter? Yeah, today I teach my kid about letter V. Don't forget. If you are new in my channel, subscribe, like. If you have any comment, you can comment below. Thank you for your watching all my video. Thank you.